rebound. Galing pa Amorin once again. Pinasa kay Baba. Nakita niya si Alcaraz. Pinasa kay Akob. Akob, hands off. Alcaraz. Amorin. Here's Amorin. Amorin lays it up. Das 3 against 1. Pinasa kay Alcaraz. Lays it up with the left hand. Patigdas with the rebound. Pinasa kay Amorin. Amorin, grabe tawa pero magaling patigdas. Still with 2 points in this ball game. Amorin, binali. Ako ni Alcaraz. Alcaraz. Drive. Amorin. Kicks it out. Lagundi. Set shot. Another behind the back dribble by Amorin. Tinawag na si Ako, but Amorin decides to Patigdas, left wide open. Shoots back. Ako. Ako. Turn. Amorin. Amorin against Ramos. Amorin.